Hi everyone, Steve Reddington, your LRG Regional Manager for Illinois and Wisconsin, back again to talk about Vosker, the manufacturer of solar or battery-powered cellular cameras. You know, one of the biggest questions I get is, how do I install cameras in areas with no power or no Wi-Fi coverage? The answer is Vosker cameras. Each camera comes with a preloaded SIM card and can take JPEG photos that can be sent to you on your cell phone. Videos can also be taken and stored on the SD card. Remote locations such as construction sites, cabins, boat docks, and any place you can't get a Wi-Fi or power connection are perfect for Vosker. These have a 5-minute setup, perfect for quick installs, and can easily be moved to new locations. Two models are available, the V100, which is 4G, and the V200, which is LTE and includes a solar panel. An RMR program is also available. For more information, please contact your local LRG representative. And don't forget to check out our other Solved in 60 Seconds videos on our website. And while you're there, please like our page and follow us for more great information on all of our vendors. Happy selling!